Today I'm going to show you Razzle Dazzle DIY gem market. Let's get started. These are all the things that we have inside. We have a gem stylus, which is the pink. We have glue, which is the red, and we have the green is a tray that we're going to use for the beads. Here I have a 24 pack of gems. Here I have my frame and our unicorn that we're going to be working on. It's way bigger. First, you don't need the frame, so keep it aside. Okay, so now we're going to match all the letters with the letters over here. I'm gonna start with white. Here I have a big A and small a. I have A and A, both. But look, the uppercase A has bigger than the small one, so don't mix them up, or else you're gonna have a hard time. So now you want to take a little bit of glue and you want to cut it off at the end. You just need to press it and get the glue in. So you can start with your beads and start doing. We have a sticky part inside which you need to remove the film. Here I've added a little bit of sellotape so I can just stick it on in this part. As you can see, I have my first bead on there. Just collect it up from your thing and ta-da, you've got it on. Now I'm done with uppercase A, so I can separate container and write the name of it. So this is uppercase A, so next time you don't want to be confused. You won't be confused, I'm sure. Now we have lowercase a, so lowercase a. Now let's start with lowercase a. Blue N. The uppercase N, by the way. now, this is the last part. I'm just adding all of the A's that were left, and it's really fun. When I was finishing it, it almost took me like 5 days. This is the last day. This was really fun, and done. Look at how shiny it is. And everything is shiny except the white part. Now everything's done. Now you want to take your frame and take the glass protector out. And remove the little plastic that's on it. Both sides. Alright, now you just need to place it in here. Now once your painting is in, this is all done. Look at how beautiful the frame looks. You can put a decorative decoration around it. Since I'm giving this to my dad for his birthday, I probably want to write happy birthday around the border. If you like my video, please subscribe and please give a thumbs up on this video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.